Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell, this is my alarm clock. And I had this for a few years now, and I absolutely love it. And it's supposed to help you sleep and wake up relaxed. And I will be showing you guys this alarm clock throughout this video. And if you are just like me, you like to hear at least a relaxed sound as you're sleeping, like river, rain, whatever you want. Alright, let me show you guys what sounds are on this alarm clock. If you guys are thinking about getting this, I recommend you do.
Breathe in through your nose and hold.
You could do that. And of course, there's some lighting right here too. But it's okay to sleep without the light on this alarm clock. And of course, you can set the alarm with whatever time you want to get up. But I just don't want to lose the time on my alarm clock here. So maybe I'll do that in the next video. Who knows? But I just want to give you guys a preview of a nice relaxing sounding alarm clock. Can help you sleep and wake up relaxed. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up this video. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day.